Hey guys, so today was an amazing day. Simple day, nothing much happening. So I really wanted to have beans. I've been boiling it. I don't know why I didn't record it from the beginning, but better start now, never than later. So set up cutting up the tomatoes, starting with the onion as usual. I don't know why people start with the tomato. Whenever I'm doing my onions and tomatoes, I usually start with the onions first. So this was me cutting up the green pepper, slicing and dicing. You know me, quick. Then the tomatoes. What you guys doing? Quick, papa. Take out your points. Ponya more, my carrots, can be beside first. First, oh, guesa. I think every guy, each and every person should have a peeler. Like, why are you still peeling potatoes, carrots with knife? Like, that's a lot of waste. Just use a peeler, quick, done. Move on, peel, careful. Just put it in the check, slice and dice. So in goes the onions, green peppers, carrots, and chili, tomato. Black pepper, salt, sea salt. Then this is what you call Himalayan pink salt. Give it a try, guys. It's really good. Barbecue spice, cayenne pepper, really good taste. Turmeric, very good for inflammation. Reduces the inflammation in the body, so you can take it even just with warm water. Really good. Then off to the vegetables. Start with the oil, tomatoes as usual, onion, green pepper. Salt. Don't ask me how it tastes. It tastes like salt. And in goes the Chinese. I don't know. Me, I prefer kumjuira actually. Jua che fridge. Whenever I want to cook, so you put on a knife, sharp. What's funny is that when I reached at this level, I was like, wait, something missing. Went back, then I realized that, yeah, nshima, and I was like, sad. Sima rero, kind of and I was hungry, so you know what I did? Tawangachepa more. Kumayadi ungacha kumbewe kwa moja nika walk tuache payadi zunguruka 2 step 1 corner ikafika like singambe pika nsima this time ya kudanja so ngache mchopishe papa ka yeah but you impression unga first last guys last okay the option up getting a bottle of water but in 1 minute. Quick chip a bond, yeah, again, direct to the kitchen. Here we go. So when you let the beans simmer, like guys, just look at how thick this thing is. I'm ready to demolish it. sausage, shima, tumanze, naka sweet at once at 57 kwacha. Margins economy. I don't know what to say, but I always like my meal with some tomato sauce, but this was chili. Okay, the meal was milling. Finish it up, chana to alkaline water, chape. Bah! Call it a day.
Got the kick.